by and take a look at the 2018 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.